What's up, guys? We're finally back, like 2 days later, right? I was busy yesterday, so we're gonna be cleaning the cams, right? Cam caps especially. Make sure you don't mix the cam caps up. They are in order, okay? L, M, P, and over here we have on top we have G, J, and K. Right? You can't mix those up. If you mix them up, it basically scratches your cams and it fucks up your cams, and then your cams are worthless at the end. So yeah, basically right now I'm cleaning these because the guy who did the heads did not clean these good, the cam caps good. And then I took off the cam so I can lube it up or grease it up. For the first start, we're gonna put grease right here, grease right there, and grease right there, and right here. And then, yeah, we're gonna torque everything back to spec, and we'll get back to you. Not brought to you by NOS, but I hope one day it will. Now, guys, make sure that every time... Jamie, shut the fuck up. Jesus, shut the fuck up. You too, shut the fuck up. Alright, when you do this, alright, make sure that you have everything organized, right? Because you don't want to mix cam caps. Shut the fuck up. Just from the previous clip, I have a mess here. I'm gonna go to AutoZone, buy brake cleaner, some sensors that are right here, and some paper towels, because we're making a fucking big ass mess, which we're gonna clean. Clean the guides, tensioners. Still need some more tensioners for the cams right here, for the cam sprockets. But so far, look, this is what we got. We got the upper oil pan put in. Here's the oil pan spacer, the oil pan. We got the water pump in, the galleys. Galleys, we are gonna torque these down a little bit. We put silicone on the back timing cover. What else? We did put the little neck for the oil pump to go down to like right here. We put silicone back here for the rear main seal. And what else does this thing need? I think that's it for right now. I think I still gotta wash the cam sprockets, which are over there. And then I think that'll be it for today. Just washing a little bit more, and that's it. But tune in. I'll give you an update in a little bit. Here we go. Then you guys see in the morning, I'll show you guys. But here is the motor. Its timing is almost dialed in. As you can see, we're holding the cams down so we could put everything in time. We're hoping this is the way we're gonna spin the crank to see if everything is good and nothing clashes together. And yeah, I'll get back to you. We are built even more. All right, upside down as of right now. He's a little mean guy today. All right, we painted the oil pan matte black. These matte black, and these are also gonna be matte black. I decided not to go with gloss black because too many people have that. We have all of this scattered around. And yeah, we got timing done. Sorry we didn't show that, but everything's coming together, and we only need a little bit more before we can finally start putting everything on and back in. Guys, check this out. It's fully built, closed off. Hose here, hose here, hose here. I still am waiting for a pressure feed sensor from AutoZone. I didn't decide to use a little, what's it called? Like the little tacks for them. I decided not to use it. This still needs to be put on. All of this is put on already. We're gonna drop it down in a little bit to put the flywheel and all that stuff. But that'll be later. New pilot bearing, new flywheel, new clutch. We on. Clutch is on. We gonna get popping, man. We got lightweight flywheel, stage 2 clutch. We on, man, we on. Alright, so little update. I know that I was just showing brief parts, but we're putting hoses in. We finally got the pressure feed sensor. We got that coolant temp sensor right there. What else do we need? We still gotta put this little like metal hose that goes right here, connects to this hose right here. All right, and then we put clutch in and flywheel and new pilot bearing. And also, let me show you over here. We go to this side and we put a new bearing here with grease on the little weenie. These motor mounts are still good, so we won't change them at all. They're still good. This whole build is sponsored by Z1 at this point, not even gonna lie. We are having the fucking toughest time to get this shit in with the trans. As you can see, there's a big ass gap right there. It does not let us put the little PP of the trans inside the clutch. We've been at it for like an hour now, and it still does not go in. We have to double check everything right now. All right, guys, here we go. Finally, after from the last clip, maybe like 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, we got it in. It's connected to a trans and everything. Everything's good right now. We're just gonna put the little nuts for the motor mounts, and then we're gonna call it a day for today. As you can see over here, we go to the car. You can see the trans is good and lined up. Like before, this thing, the shifter was all the way to the front. Oh shit. The shifter was all the way to the front, and you wouldn't even be able to like do anything to it. Like it was just stuck. But now it's in and it's good. I swear to God, I'm gonna say it again if I didn't say it before. Z1, let me know, dude. Let me know. No, we really got a whole bunch of Z1 stuff in here. We got Z1 clutch, Z1 tubes, Z1 flywheel, Z1 motor mount, Z1 trans mount, a whole bunch of Z1 stuff. Let me know. Let me know, Z1, if you're watching this. Let me know. My own time and my uncle isn't here, right? Alright, so we just put the AC bracket. It took a while to find these fucking bolts, dude. Especially this one back here, dude. That shit took a fucking while. But right now, we just need to put this thing, which is for the coolant, for the oil filter. It's gonna be that, and then from there, here we go again, guys. We are back at it again. We just put the AC bracket. I'm not sure if I updated you guys on that. I put the little idler pulley. Finally put this little tube. I had to bend it a little bit because it was like this was all the way out here. All the way out here. So I bent it a little bit just so it could fit. Got that on, got the hose in the back on right there. Mounted, put onto that. And then put the power steering pump and the alternator. I lost the bracket. I don't remember where I left it. And after that, it would be that one next. And after all that, back to wiring again. Everything else. Alright, guys, so we are currently about to paint the Plenum black because I feel like this is a little bit ugly, like very ugly. So we're gonna paint it black, matte black, like the rest of the car. As you can see, let me walk around over here and show you. That's matte black. Oil pan is matte black. This is matte. This is matte black. Yes, there's little spots where I didn't get to, but yeah, it's kind of like that's not gonna be seen at all, by no means. I thought the Plenum was gonna be painted pretty good, so we're gonna do that right now. I did like maybe like 4 coats, maybe 3. It's gonna be like this, matte black. They have tape on them, just know. This one, you know, it's the little purple nipple to close off that vacuum line, so there won't be any vacuum leaks. But yeah, this is how it's gonna look. And then the bottom plenum, the lower plenum is gonna be, I think, silver, because I ran out of black. But I think it'll contrast good. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look. And okay, so I put this hose right now, right? I put this hose. Just know that this one right here is the most annoying thing to get to. You have to put this because it's a negative to motor. I mean body to motor, right? Negative. It has to attach. Let me show you. It has to attach right around there to the actual head, and then you're gonna screw it onto the body chassis of the car. I'm tired. That shit hurt. Like trying to squeeze your damn hands inside that little pocket right there. But yeah, we have that so far, and then maybe tomorrow we'll get back to it again. What the hell? ¿Qué pasó? What the hell? La batería está baja. Oh, he said that the... Yeah. Oh wait, this fell off. Oh, se cayó de esto. Es que se le cayó la de esta. Espérate que turn on the light, cause I don't have a light. Go run over there. Yeah, there you go. Stay right there in case the light turns off. Oh yeah, be careful with your legs, he said.